Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great day and a great week, folks. This quote is by Christian Larson. Live in faith that the whole world is on your side so long as you are true to the best that is in you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 17. NASDAQ is up $1.50, meaning 1.5. S&P's up 2.20. Gold contract down $19.30, trading at $1,207 an ounce. Silver down 82 cents at $16.46 an ounce. Silver's down over a dollar, and they still couldn't whack the silver stocks or the gold stocks. Pretty incredible, actually. Platinum down $30 at $1,176. And if you're going to buy metal, folks, buy platinum if you can get a hold of it, because bottom line, you get platinum running out at $11.76. Gold's at $12.07. There's some major divergence. Copper down 2 pennies, trading at $2.58 a pound. You got light sweet crude up 61 cents at $53.39 a barrel. Bonds, we have the 10-year off a full point, 127.06. 30-year off 2 points at 144.01. We'll bisect and dissect those babies. And King Dollar down 119 ticks, 94.16. The euro up 58 at 114. And the yen up 86, trading at 119.34. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. Let's see what we have out here. We take a look. We'll start off with the SPY and take a look at the SPY out here. What we have with the SPY is this. SPY right now is trading at a price point of 210.11. And we take a look at this baby. What we have is that you're over the highs of last week. Friday, we got over those highs. The highs that we're talking about out here are 208.26. No doubt we had lighter volume, but this baby is still going higher. If we take a look at the SPX, now this is your benchmark out here, folks. The SPX right now is trading at 2098. You need to close back under 2093.55 to have a failure in this baby. 3Qs, NDX 100. We take a look at the 3Qs. What we have with the 3Qs is this. 3Qs are trading at 106.96. You're doing 12 million shares. Yeah, it's anemic, but you're over those highs. Bottom line is that on Friday we did 29 million. You're at 12 million right now. That's on the daily. If we put this up on the weekly basis, what you're going to see is this. Weekly basis. Last week we came in with 118 million shares. Taking out the highs that were generated out there that had 151 million shares. We'll see if, in fact, that price is going to hold. Inside the NDX 100 today, what's bringing it higher, well, it's actually flat, but what's putting juice into it is ADI. That's Analog Devices. That's up $1.74. You have Marriott Corporation up 177. That baby's on a tear. You have Micron Tech up 63. And you have the Biogen up 716. Taken away from it, bringing it downtown. You get Visible Communications down 17 cents. We have Cerner off 160. Automatic Data, ADP, down 185. And Mattel down 17. Inside the Dow Industrials, what do we have happening inside the Dow Industrials? This is what you have. Dow Industrials out here trading at 18,040. The high is 18,103. Bringing juice into it out here today. You have American Express. That's a dead cat bounce. That thing has got killed. AXP. AXP is up 136. That's the leader inside the Dow today. Intel is second at 29. Johnson & Johnson, dead cat bounce. That's up 80. And you get Goldman up 148. Taken away from it on the way down, which continues to want to go down. We have McDonald's, MCD. That is down 126. You have Microsoft down 9 cents. ExxonMobil is off 62, and Procter & Gamble is down 54. The Let's go to the gold contract. Gold contract out here today, folks. Major price destruction. And inside that major price destruction, which is pretty wild, is that you have volume. But what has happened is that you're going against the day of strength inside not only the gold contract, inside the silver contract. In both of these instances, what you're going against is the spike higher from the December 1st, I believe it is. Yeah, it's December 1st. This is pretty intense, okay? So what we have is this. If you take a look at this, on December 1st, gold traded down to a price point of $11.43. We went up to $12.21. Monster volume. What do we have out here today? We've done 169,000 contracts, which is a lot. Still less than what we have there, or in fact less than how it broke topside on January 5th. That being said, bottom line, you have 169,000 contracts. The thing that's amazing about this, folks, well, here, now let's go over to the silver contract. We take a look at silver. So you have that baby, gets into a lows. Silver, we go take a look at the silver contract. What we have inside the silver contract is this. Silver gets down to a price point today of $16.26, highly volatile, no doubt. Has juice behind the move. We did 77,000 contracts. We're at $16.46 right now. Now check it out. All silver has to do, which is it's really not in a lower range. If it gets above $16.54, or at $16.46 right now, you're definitely in the higher range. That being said, what has happened is this, is that the XAU, the HUI, they refuse to back off. The gold and silver equities refuse to back off, which is just a total mind blower. Why is it a mind blower? Because this gold contract has come down, and I mean come down substantially from the 22nd of January. We're trading at $13.08. We're down $100. So if you look at that texture, I just want to show you how intense this is, meaning how cool it is if you actually are in this market. So we've gone from $13.08 to $12.07. If we take a look, that's from the 22nd. Now if we go over to the 22nd and we take a look at Gold Corp, okay, Gold Corp was trading at $24.90. Right now we're $22.98. They won't break down, folks. It's pretty amazing. And I can tell you, I've done the gold report now for 15 years, I believe. 15, yeah, it's actually 15 years. I've seen divergence. You know, there's been divergence many times. This is probably the most intense divergence that I've seen, specifically meaning that the gold equities, the silver equities are not backing off, and they can't get them lower. So we'll see where this baby shakes out. Dollar and, well, here, bonds. Let's go to the bond market. What do we have with bonds? If we take a look at the 10-year first, what you have is this. You have it coming down. We get light volume, but you're getting decent, well, the volume's lighter than what it's going into. That's what it comes down to. Even the 10-year is at 1.5 million contracts. You're going into 1.7. They got it going with an expansion of volume, but guess what? They're going to have to get it going heavier than that. The 30-year, we take a look at the 30-year. What you have with the 30-year is this. 30 years down a full 2 points. That's a big number. There's no two ways about it. That's a big number. And what you still have inside that 30-year is this. Your 30-year is still down on light volume. You're talking about 381,000 contracts. You need like 500,000 contracts on the way down. So will it go a little bit lower? Yeah, I expect it will go a little bit lower. If we take a look at the actual setup, what we have is that the 10-year right now is trading at 2.1. That was after it actually get down to, I believe, 3.7. So bottom line is that yield is going up. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. We're coming right back. Dow is right now up 18 points. You get the NASDAQ up 1.5. S&Ps are up 2.5. Gold's down 19. Silver's off 82. We'll be right back.